back tested the option? Anybody?
I did in some of the options, sir.
Okay, so working or not?
Yes, sir, it's working. I think I had messaged you also, sir, when I was working that day. I didn't take the trade, but I was just working on different days.
So the numbers are on the dot now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yesterday, 144, it was struggling at 196, but finally the move came. It went and touched 225. Exactly.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding this yesterday's one you are mentioning. So you had mentioned 23,700, right? I think this one which has gone from 144 to 225.
24,100.
Which one, sir?
24,100.
Okay.
Nifty.
Yeah, 24,100. Yeah.
In FinNifty also you had mentioned one. Which one? 23,700, I think you had mentioned.
Maybe.
Sir, but shouldn't it be 600, sir? Because that candle closing was 23 some 592.
You take
So
anything.
just okay. I took, sir. I took, but it didn't reach 225. So can we? I exited in between. I just want to understand whether we should exit in between or can we hold? Should we hold it because it did not reach 225? It reached till 200.
Otherwise, 315 you need to exit. That's all, no?
Okay. 315 it exited. Okay.
No, but that FinNifty hit the stop loss, sir. Before that.
Yeah, correct. That's what happened actually.
Yeah. It happened with me also. I was checking that. So the stop loss was hit.
Wait. Yeah. Now tell me that FinNifty call.
23,600, sir.
So now tell me what you did. What you did?
1 second, sir. Just hold it. Just opening the chart in my system also.
So in the meanwhile, just wanted to inform you that I also checked and in cross-checked the backtested and some of the options, it was working pretty well. So as one of the members said the last day that we should only start focusing on this 144 to 225. This will give us 90% of the time it will give us the targets.
It will.
So sir, just one thought came into my mind, which I asked you earlier also. You said 30th June we will be getting, you are working on some ergo part of it. So 30th June it will be ready. So is it close to ready or something?
August 1st, it will be ready.
Okay. And sir, just one thought. I mean, this itself is a very good reasoning and logic for trading it into the algo part. I mean, this 144 to 225.
Do it, no.
Since the event date is pretty decent, sir. Very good.
We are coming out with very less tension, more profit thing. So don't worry.
I hope so, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir, sorry, it is not call, sir. It is put.
Put.
Put, sir. Sorry. So at around 9:40, the buy happened at 144. Morning, sir. Morning itself. 9:40. 40.
Okay.
So in this case, just wanted to understand how to manage the position, sir, or you just take the stop loss and move it. That's all.
You need to take.
Yes, sir.
See, it went above 141, 144.
Correct, sir.
So your entry is at 144.
Correct, sir.
What is your stop loss?
144 plus 81 divided by 2.
112.5, sir. I
yeah,
did 112.5.
Perfect.
Got it here.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Right. After hitting that thing, again it went and got rejected only at 121, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there you need to go short with the stop loss of 144, yes or no?
Okay. Understood, sir. Understood. Yes. Just take the opposite side trade and proceed. Understood.
Yes, no.
Sir, problem. Okay, I got it, sir. Got it. Clear. Yes.
You need to do that. Reverse side, you need to do that. See, Every time if it becomes 144 to 125, 225, then I will be
No,
charging.
no, no, sir. No, I understood. I just want to understand what is the next step. You just guided me, sir. I got it. I'm not expecting every time. Just wanted the guidance.
You need to reverse it.
Yes, understood.
If you reverse it, whatever the loss which you made, it is got covered here at 81.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. And yesterday
sir.
it was clear sideways movement in the end. Something was done by the market.
Market, yes, sir. Exam sudden shoot up in the last 5-10
That is
minutes.
just to screw people.
Hmm.
Or there is some news that SBI is going to sell the S Bank stake.
Correct, sir.
It may be because of that.
I think yesterday S Bank was 12% up or something, sir.
Because they are selling it to one, they are selling a huge.
Mizuho Bank, sir, Japanese bank. I actually work for Yes Bank, sir.
Yeah, they are selling it to somebody. So that is why, it shot up because they are going to, they bought it at 10 rupees 20 paisa. Where I bought also they bought. Okay. So they are going to get phenomenal profit. And that is why it jumped up like mad.
So can you check Sensex on Friday? Because I'm a little bit confused.
Sensex, which call?
79,700.
79,000.
700. Sir, 79,700 call, it is correct or the opening price Sensex was,
See, this kind of a move, nobody can predict.
yes,
If somebody says, I traded, one of my client traded yesterday, she bought, I think 200 shares and she never expected from 20 rupees, it went to 200 rupees.
yes, sir, 500 rupees call got a 400 rupees.
That is all very, very, it is not possible. It is not possible. We need to accept it. If it happens at 2:30, then I will accept. If it is happening at 3 o'clock, then there is no point.
Okay,
It is just to screw people. They screwed left, right, and center, they screwed.
okay.
So now,
Sir,
you see,
yes,
you can watch the 0-0 call around 2:30, not 3 o'clock. Very
okay,
rarely these kind of things happen. When these kind of things happen, when the monthly expiry and the F&O expiry are on the closing day of the month. This move will,
okay,
this
okay,
kind
sir,
of
got it.
move will come when the F&O expiry and the monthly closing, which is, let's say the F&O is expiry is on 30th of July. And the monthly closing day is also 30th of July.
Okay,
That happens, there will be a move from 2:30 to 3:30.
okay, that was 0-0. That will be 0-0.
0-0. That will be mega 0-0. It may go 0, but it may, otherwise it may go topmost 0.
Okay, sir.
It will give 10 times, 20 times, 40 times, 50 times.
Okay, sir. Sir, one thing. That day I was last Friday, so a little bit confused. If Sensex open price is we can take higher. The high is 79,876. So we can go for call or put because the 15-minute candle broken. So we go for put.
See, Sensex, just a minute. First of all, what is the rule? This is the first candle,
Yes, sir.
right? What is the eye of the candle?
79,876.
So 79,900.
Okay.
Now,
But go for call or put.
listen to me. So
Okay.
now this is the high and this is the low. The low
Yes,
is
sir.
533.
Yes.
Whether any candle close to below.
No, sir.
So there is no, first of all, there is no sell. After the
Okay.
yesterday,
Okay.
down, forget it. Today, when you are trading the Sensex, I
Yes.
never trade Sensex. Very rarely I trade. And whenever I trade, I made a loss.
Okay.
So I never touch this Sensex and all. Even mid cap also I don't touch. I trade only in Nifty, Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty.
Okay,
Because
sir.
there I have number, here I don't have number. I'm not
Okay.
talking about the normal this number. I'm talking about my major numbers, which I don't have. So now the deal is the first 15 minutes IN low. If it breaks the 15 minutes low, then we need to go and buy the put.
Okay.
Breaks the 15 minutes I, then we need to go and buy the call.
Okay.
Right. So now
But in,
what happened in this case? This is
yes.
the I and this is the 15 minutes low.
Yes, sir. But did not break.
Nothing happened. So
Nothing.
till here it is just a premium meeting day.
Okay, sir. Got it. Got it.
No buy, no sell.
No, sir.
This is abnormal.
Yeah.
For
This
example,
was unexpected, sir.
now it's okay. Now let's go and see same thing in option. Let's go and see same thing in option. So the opening is 79,900. I need to go on first check 79,900 call.
Okay.
So now what happened? Even if I go to 3 minutes, it is in perfect sell only.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll put 144.
Sir, you can check 79,900, sir. This is 700, I think.
Oh, sorry. 1 second.
Sir, after that, you can check also 79,700 put. It's respect 36.
No, that's okay. Now, this is the first candle. The first candle low is 96.
Yes.
So first, maybe if you go to 15 minutes also, the 15 minutes candle, it started at 216 or 225, which is the number. It started
Yes.
exactly at the number only. And
Yes.
the low was 49.
Yeah.
So now when we are going to go short in this thing, below 36, it should go to 0.
Yes.
The rule number. Okay. So now, if I put 36 here, this is 36. So now, what is my target? 0.
Yes.
But the 0 is not happened here.
No, still.
So this is the correct entry. See, for example, again, once it closed to below 49, where it got rejected? Exactly at 81 only.
Yes.
So below 81, it should go to 36. Below 36, it should go to 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is what happened here.
Exactly, sir. So in this case, we can go for long after this candle close below. No.
Forget what happened yesterday. That is a one-time scenario which is in lifetime.
Okay. Okay. Correct, sir. Got it.
Follow the number. Below 81, it should go to 36. Below 36, it should go to 0.
We go. Yeah.
Exactly. It is happened. Okay, around 3 o'clock, it came to 0. Normally, what I do is whenever I do mega euro 0 call, when it comes to 1.5 rupees, I will close. I will not do for the 0.
Sir, but in 1 minute time frame, Sensex, I got 2 times selling, I think. Can you check in 1 minute?
Even in this case, suppose let's say it has not given you 0. Forget it. Now you want to capture this call. You want to capture this momentum. So now,
Okay.
once above 36, it is having a life, yes or no?
Yes.
So you buy at 36. This is not possible. I'm just giving you an example. Okay. You
Okay.
buy 36 plus 18 divided by 2.
I think 27.
Whatever. So now this candle closed above 36, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then where is my stop loss? My stop loss is somewhere here. It has not touched. It came now. It has not even came near. But it gave an entry at 36.
Yes.
Next candle, it gave an entry at 36. So once
And
it 36, what is the first target?
81.
Done.
Yes.
Then again, the next target is 144.
Yeah.
Where it went?
Did not cross
121.
120. Approx 121.
Maybe you can enter at 36 and exit at 81.
Yeah, that's the first target.
This is all we cannot, expect. This is something to.
Yes, it was unexpected.
It was unexpected. So we are long in Nifty. We bought it at 142. Exactly, we bought it at 142 and we sold it at 225.
Okay.
This is an unexpected move, but still, if
Yes, sir.
you can enter based on the numbers, is what I'm saying.
Okay, sir.
One time scenario. See, if it tells 3, then I would have accepted this.
Yeah.
But it went below 3, no?
Yeah. So once you told that,
The low was 5 paisa or the low was 1 rupee. This is unexpected. That's nothing else.
so once you said that if same candle generated G buy and G call, so you can go for long for same candle or wait for the touches the blue line and then take the entry.
Again and again, I'm telling boss, better to wait for the blue. If any,
Okay, sir. Okay, correct.
I cannot help it, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's just stop loss is too big.
Yeah, stop loss is too big. You buy here, no problem. I'm not telling no. Put the stop loss. The stop loss is bigger.
Yeah, correct, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you come in the Nifty chart of Friday?
50, yeah. Okay.
Sir, can you come for 15 minutes?
Okay.
It doesn't closes below the candle, first 15 minutes.
Yes.
You said you will trade when it crosses the our 15 minutes high, we will initiate the trade.
Yeah.
So sir, can you show the option chart in this, because I got a loss in this?
Okay. So now what is the high?
24260,
So which call I need to trade?
24,300. Here I also wait for 15 minutes, first 15 minute candle high.
No problem. What is the number?
81.
Will it test 81?
No. Yes.
What yes. No, boss.
Sir, it touches 81, sir. I think so.
It is not.
Did not touch.
It
Okay.
came here to 82.75, but the 81
Okay.
is not it.
Okay.
So now in this case, where you can go long?
Above 144.
This is 144. In that complete day, it got rejected only at 144 only, no?
Okay.
So what you can do? You can go short at 144, but still the 81 is not there. You need to try to buy only above 144, but it's not given you entry at all.
Sir, I have a doubt. Yes, you said na, that after first 15 minutes, if it's above 150 minutes, we can buy. So the high of the first 15 minutes, I think, Prof. Sir, can you touch the candle?
Yes, I am not telling no to it, but I am telling when it is crossing above the 15 minutes high, where is the number? You need to buy only.
140. I have to buy above 144, no, sir?
Whether it gave any buy at 144?
No.
Then where is the question of hitting stop loss? If there is no buy, there is no stop loss, no?
I did a mistake.
Sir, so no entry in this, right?
No entry. Absolutely no entry.
Sir,
Thank you.
if low touches 81, then if
Yeah.
touch the
Here I will go short.
okay.
We will
And,
buy 81 plus 144 by 2 if you want to buy.
Even in case if you are, let's say, I bought it in the morning. We bought it in the morning and we held it and it went and touched 125. So now we bought it at 24,100 call. This is what we bought yesterday. But I don't know, last week number will not be there. Okay, now anyway, we'll take this. So now entry was 144, but last week the entry was there. Which call 24,100. Or which one we bought? Bhagesh, which one?
24,200. Sir, 24,200. It went from 144 to.
Yeah. So this is the one which we bought at 142. 142 we bought and we kept the stop loss and it came and hit the, no, not this one. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. This one only. So now let's go to 1 minute. This is a G cell. We bought it 144 here. That is a low. That is the exact low. At 253. Are you able to see the number or not?
Yes.
That is the exact ditto low. 144 is the low.
Yes.
5 paisa. Not even 5 paisa down. And exactly it went and touched where 225 only.
Correct, sir.
So yesterday we traded, I know. We traded in our account.
Sir, can you please go to 24,300 call, the previous chart which the other gentleman just asked? Actually, I have a query there because probably it looks like the stop loss hit there. Or I just want to cross check whether my knowledge that I have gained through this is correct or not. Sir, in this 1230 point, this peak high, 24,300 call, 1130. This call touched 147 as a high, and our entry was at 144, sir.
Boss. 1 5 minutes candle must close above. No, this is 1 minute. Whether any candle closed above 144.
No. Yes. Right, sir.
I mean 1 minute. No. What is the rule? The rule is 1 5 minutes candle must close above 144. Take the entry here. No.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Yeah.
It got rejected exactly at 144. No.
Right, sir. Right. Absolutely right, sir. Absolutely.
144 rejected. Now where it came? It came exactly to 92.
Right, sir.
We are not buying at 92.
Right, sir.
Not possible.
Right, sir.
We can buy at 142 is what I'm saying. Or when it is in this one, you can buy above 121 because 81 is held.
Right, sir.
Why the problem? You went deep out of the money. Instead of buying 21,100 call, you went and bought 21,300 call. Then you need to adjust your price. No.
Right, sir. But I bought 24,300 because the 15 minutes starting candle was 24,262. That's
no
why.
problem, my dear. 100% no problem.
GG.
Let's say you bought it at 144 only.
Right, sir.
There is no profit, there is no loss.
Right. So actually, 1 minute thing that you just reminded us. That's true. Right. I got it. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, in this case, if it has gone below 81, then would we have short it?
100%.
Okay.
100%.
Sir, if 81, if touch then we go for short, or if close below the 5 minute candle.
Always.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Sir,
Yeah.
on Friday at 9:20, you posted a message that in Nifty it goes above 125 to 144. But sir, you told us to not to trade below 930. So we have to trade after 930, or we have to trade below.
Yeah, I will give based on some other observation also,
Okay.
but always wait for 9:30, boss.
Okay. That's good.
Nothing is going to happen in 15 minutes waiting.
Sure.
Nothing. Raj Kishore.
So okay, sir. If you order placed in option, would you order placed in market order or limit order, sir?
You would limit order, no?
Okay, sir. So because of
Once
in India,
Once it close above 144, put the limit order at 144. No,
not in market order, sir.
no need, no,
Okay, thank you.
no need.
Sir, I have one doubt only. Last. Can you? Okay.
Samrat.
Sir, in this case, in morning, can you just shift the chart? Like I have doubt over there in first 30 minutes.
Tell me.
Yeah, so when it took support at 81 exactly, is it right to buy or we should wait for 144 to close?
Two things you need to understand. What is the rule of a gap down?
15 minutes high and low.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes, 30 minutes.
Right. So any 30 minutes low is broken here. In options, it will break because of the time limit. But whether in spot, whether it broke 30 minutes low, no.
Right. Right.
So 30 minutes low is not broken. So what is the rule? Above 30 minutes high, you need to buy.
Okay.
So in this case, this is 30 minutes high.
Yes.
Exactly at the number only. 120 only is the number there. The high of this first candle is nothing but 125. Are you able to see it or not?
Yes.
What is high? 124.90.
Yes.
So it is not crossed. After that, it crossed here. After that, it crossed here. You can buy at 125, but stop loss got it. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now, even if you take, one second. Just a minute, sorry. Okay, so now even if you take 125, 81, the stop loss is 103. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now if I put 103, my stop loss got hit, no?
Triggered, sir.
You
Yes.
need no other go. But when you go to the option, when you go to the spot chart, it was clear. It gave exactly came because you went out of the money call. That is the problem. If you play in the money call where the Nifty opens, then there is no problem.
Yes, in that it crossed 144.
Yeah, exactly came and touched the 144 low, and from there it gave an entry, it went and touched 225. If you are going out of the money call, you need to adjust. You got it or not?
Yes.
See, this one is euphoria. This you forget, this candle you forget. This is the luck candle. But this is genuine. Up to this is genuine.
Sir, just one doubt. Sir, based on only the numbers, I'm not talking about the FS signal and everything, sir. So basically, I start my day and then I will see that it has not crossed 125. Okay. So when it comes to 81, I'll also see that it has not gone below 81 also. So what I'll do is I can buy a long here. Acha, only sleep. Okay. No, because from 81, it touched 144 once we took that trade.
I told you very clearly. 144, 81, sleeping time.
Okay.
Don't trade.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
Sir, this 125 is cube number, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
See, if you want to play with cube number to cube number, you play. If you want to play only with 144 to 225, you play. Whatever you want to play, play. But whatever you have chosen, trade for 3 months to get the result. In between square number, suddenly cube number, then cube and square divided by 2, nothing will happen. You will be getting confused. You will be getting confused. Maybe in the monthly call, you play in cube number, it is workable. Not in weekly. Very rarely it happens. And daily, forget it. Daily and all, don't try to play with one long-term number to another long-term number. It is very difficult. Daily and all, you need to be only with the square number only. Don't get into cube number. Cube number you can trade in monthly. In monthly. One cube number to another cube number. But When you are trading with one cube number to another cube number, the stop loss will be more. Understand that first. If you are ready to give that stop loss, absolutely no problem. For example, you are buying at about 216, you are buying. Then the next number is 125. 216 plus 125 divided by 2 is your stop loss. You got it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir, we got it, sir.
Shyam.
Yeah, sir. So for entry, we use limit order, right, sir? So similarly for SL, should we need to put SL or we just keep it in mind and wait for one candle to close below the SL?
Please, I don't put the stop loss.
Okay, okay. And one more doubt, sir. In Friday, you gave Fin Nifty call at 9:30 or something, 23,700. It exactly touched 196 and it moved, sir. So I was watching the spot chart, but in that it didn't touch the blue line.
No.
So because of this number only, you gave that call, right?
But tell me the Fin Nifty number call or put which I gave.
23,700, sir.
Put
Put, yeah.
See, normally what I will do, I'll tell. I don't go and check this. I will never put my option chart.
Okay.
For me, my main number in market is more important than my options.
Okay.
And again, I'm telling you, I don't use any of these numbers. I use my Vedic numbers in options. That is much more advanced.
Okay.
Forget that. Okay. So now, why I went chart? First of all, if you go to Fin Nifty, what is the buy number and what is the sell number? The morning number, tell me.
196, I think, sir. 196 you gave entry.
I'm telling the spot number, my dear.
Oh, sorry.
Morning I gave no.
Yes, the number is yes. Fin Nifty is buy above 23,649 and the sell below 23,610.
You are entering it in Bank Nifty.
Sir, you are putting in the Bank Nifty column.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, 23,649, 23,610, 610. Yeah.
So 23.
This is the number now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the first candle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Exactly, it went, the rejection is at the number only on the higher side, yes or no?
Yes.
So there is no buy.
Correct.
Now I need to go short below sell number.
Correct, sir.
Okay. So now it went below sell number. I went short here itself.
Okay.
The morning I went short here itself. Now what is the target? What is the last target?
The target was 23,554. Sorry, 454. Yeah.
This is the last target, yes or no?
Yes, sorry. That was last. Before this.
What is the fourth target?
Yeah, 23,487.
It does not touch the fourth target. It came and touched up to third target.
Yes.
That's all. So now how to trade this? Once I get the two targets done, I will move my stop loss to cost.
Okay.
Once I get the third target, then I will move the stop loss to first target.
Correct, sir.
My stop loss got hit. That's all. I go and take, for example, if I'm going short now, I'm going put now, I will buy 23,700 put.
Yes.
Or you, I may give 23,500 put, 23,200 put, 300 put, because many people will not buy in the money or at the money. They think it is big.
Correct, sir.
If I give 25 rupees call, they will jump and buy. If I give the same call at 125 rupees or 144 rupees, they'll say, I don't want.
Correct, sir. Correct.
It is a psychology, nothing to do with the market. It is their own psychology problem. They think if they buy the lower premium, the risk is less, there it is more rather than buying a 144 call. If you go and buy 81 rupees call, deep out of the money, or 2 strike price out of the money, they think it is small. It is not that. So the movement will not be that much based on the time. The movement will not be there. The 144 may go to 225, but the 81 will not go and touch even 125 if the market is sideways on that day. So whatever call I am giving into you, it doesn't mean that I am buying that particular call. No, I may go deep in the money and buy. You got it or not?
Got it, sir. Got it.
You can also do that. If I am giving a call, let's say tomorrow I am giving a call, 24,300, 500 call, buy at 88 rupees. Example, I'm just saying. Example. Buy at 88 rupees, I'm saying. And 24,000 call is available at 225. I will go on by 225 rather than that 88.
Correct, sir. There is minimum time decay.
Yeah. You got it? So there it may go up by 1.7, 0.75 or 0.6 based on the time limit. But here it may not go more than 0.4 or 0.45 because of the time decay. So whenever I give a call, when I am posting that call, if you are little shrewd, you can go to strike price below and you can buy based on the number. You got it? Okay, right. Yeah. Anything else? Anything?
And between the indices, how you decide, sir, which to trade actually? So sometimes one indices move larger direction and other indices like it is in sideways. How you select between the indices?
First of all, my number, the morning number will decide everything for me.
Okay, okay. Whichever crosses the number, we can go.
And then I go and compare my monthly bullish number and bearish number.
Okay, okay, okay.
That is my parameter. For example, let's say tomorrow, the next week I'm going to trade. The number which I'm going to give you at 9:45, the bullish number and bearish number for the week, that is my number which I will be watching first day.
Okay.
Till it is not going to break my bearish number, I will be trying only for long.
Okay, okay, okay.
So now, as I told you yesterday in my weekly forecast webinar, when I go short, I will be now trying to go short in Bank Nifty rather than going long in Nifty.
Okay.
Because it is more bearish than Nifty. But if I want to go long, when the market is above number, the morning number, I will go long in Nifty rather than going short in Bank Nifty.
Okay, okay.
Or rather than going long in Bank Nifty, I will go long in Nifty because Nifty is much strengthier than the Bank Nifty.
Okay, okay.
And predominantly I trade Nifty. Predominantly I trade Nifty.
Okay.
Rather than Bank Nifty because Nifty will definitely dance to our numbers. No doubt about it. I don't have any doubt on that.
Okay.
Okay, Prakash.
Pranam, sir.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Sir, I'm extremely sorry. I'm just sorry, sir.
I think it was my turn. Sir, when you say 15-minute candle of the weekly first 15-minute candle, open and high, the strike price should be taken around the high or around the low. Which side?
If it is crossing above the high of the 15 minutes candle, which one you will buy?
You will buy around the high.
That's all, no.
And if it is crossing below, then you should buy around the low.
Strike price, no?
Right, sir. Thank you.
Pawan.
Yes, sir. There is some doubts regarding. Can you, sir, open chart Sensex 79,700 put? Yes, sir. So in this case, 36 did not cross, even did not touch.
What 36 did not touch?
Premium.
You are talking about put or a call?
Put.
Okay, am I correct put only now? 79,700?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me.
It's respect 2 times and after that it's close above 81 on 5 minute closing. After that, we can take in entry for long or for short again.
Oh, Baba. See, now this is the first you forget whatever happened here. You forget whatever happened here. First of all, what is the consideration? First 15 minutes I know.
Yes, sir.
Whether the high is crossed,
No, sir.
low is crossed.
Yes, sir.
Now you need to go and buy the put only.
Yes, sir.
This scenario, you forget it. This last candle, forget it.
Okay, sir.
This is one time scenario. So you talk till 3 o'clock. So now, in this case, now let's go to, now 15 minutes, I'm changing into 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Now, in 1 minute, after that 15 minutes, yeah, this is the 15 minutes number.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the number? Now let's mark that number. Now I will take out this target so it will not be confusing for you. So now what is the first number? The first number is 225.
Okay, sir.
The next number is 144.
44. Yes, sir.
The next number is 36.
So 81 or 36?
Oh, sorry, 81. Sorry, 81. 81. And the next number is 36. That's all now. So now I'm closing my fortune signal. Okay. So now the first 15 minutes I is not broken.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is no long, first of all.
Okay, sir.
Now I need to go for a short.
Okay.
Where to go short? When it comes below 225, I need to go short.
Okay, sir. And
So
5 minute closing basis.
Yes. So it went below, closed below, gave the retracement. My stop loss not hit. All your targets are done.
Okay, sir. Correct. Understood, sir.
Got it?
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, in this case, you need to buy the put. In that case, the price has become zero.
No. This is you need to go and buy the call. Here in this case,
Right.
it is zero.
Right.
Okay. HP Patel.
Yes, sir. My query is, last session which you told that if I'm going along and I'm playing in a monthly call, 24,000 Nifty call, right? So I'll be playing from one number to another number. For example, if I'm entering at 144, my target is 225 first, right? How now if I'm aligning FS with that, so in case first target is it is coming down again and it's taking a support near with the FS with the numbers with red line and blue line at near to 144. Is that compulsion that we need to buy again over there, or we need to wait for what 225 close above that and then only to go long?
Anyway, you are exiting at 225.
Right, sir.
One lot you exited.
Right.
If you still want, you buy it at 144, no problem at all.
Because I'm aligning with FS only. I'm concerning dual confirmation. I mean,
No
you
problem.
got it. Whatever.
No problem. You can buy again.
Okay.
If you want to add more, 225 is the best thing to add extra.
Okay.
You got it?
Right.
Keep the stop loss.
All right. And another query is, sir, that if I'm trading intraday for a day, I'm checking 15 minutes high. So I'll go for a 1 minute chart. I'll align with FS and I'll put my numbers and I'll trade. If I'm following a weekly chart, weekly option chart.
No. If you are playing in 1 minute option chart in FS, you don't need numbers.
Okay.
FS will take care of everything.
That is for a day I'm considering. But if I'm playing for a weekly, then what time frame? And for a monthly, what time frame I should follow then? Option chart.
You know, I told you very clearly. If your capital is less and you can play even in 3 minutes time frame or even in 5 minutes time frame positional.
Okay.
If you are higher positional in monthly, 15 minutes is more than enough.
All right. I just wanted to that only confirmation.
15 minutes is more than enough in a daily monthly call option or monthly put option.
Right. And we need to follow that one strike only for a whole month, right? If I'm playing only monthly.
That will give you phenomenal result.
Right. So that will be decided on the first day of the opening of a next month only itself only.
Yeah.
First 15 minutes.
Sir, anything urgent? Meeting learning. Webinar la. 2 மணிக்கு முடியும். Okay, bye. Yeah, go ahead.
So that was the only query what I was trying to understand. Got an answer. Yes,
Any other query in options? Yeah, Chaudhary.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, sir. In monthly expiry, sir. If we want to take if we want to trade in monthly expiry, then we will take the last expiry thing, right? But what for the weekly thing, sir?
What last expiry? Who told you last expiry?
Last week expiry call, right? Suppose we want to play the monthly positional trade, only one monthly positional trade, then we have to take the position in the last week of the options, right, sir?
Who told you that?
I thought I saw it in the last session, sir.
Go and watch the video, boss. What I told you. When the monthly opens, the first 15 minutes candle of that month will take care. Why you are going to last week?
No. I'm not talking about that, sir. I'm talking about the position which I should take, sir. Suppose if it is July 1st, then I will go for the 15 minutes high and low of the first July candle. I got that, sir. But if I want to if I want to trade for the whole month, then I have to choose the expiry of the last week, right?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
First 15 minutes candle of July.
Okay. And if I want to take a position, sir?
Position of what, boss?
Sir, he's asking which
Position
option to buy, which expiry option to buy.
He's
Month-end
talking about
expiry or
the
week
strike
expiry?
price of the monthly
No,
closing.
if the opening candle high is 24,100, then 24,100 call, no.
No, so he is asking about
But the
the
expiry
contract.
date,
Which expiry
Right.
contract? Whether it's a first week expiry or the month's last week expiry, he is asking.
No, if you want to trade the monthly expiry, you go July expiry last. Don't go to the monthly.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Likewise, what to do in weekly, sir?
Weekly means
Which
what?
one to buy?
weekly
If I
expiry.
want to
Recent weekly
weekly,
expiry.
if I want to trade in a weekly thing,
If
then
you,
I'll choose that particular week, right?
yeah, if you want to run positional and if you are trading taking a position on Wednesday, will you this month week or next week?
Next week.
Common sense, that's all.
Okay.
Common sense.
Okay.
By
Next
tomorrow's
week.
expiry, no. For next week, you are buying
Okay,
this
sir.
number and you are using 5 minutes time frame, not 1 minute time frame, no.
Yes, sir.
So if it is in 5 minutes time frame, it may not give a sell for even 3 weeks, no. Then what you will do? Will you be shifting every time? No. Simply go on by the next week call.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Simply go on by
Thank you,
next.
sir.
If you want,
Thank you, sir.
use 3 minutes also, no problem. But don't use 1 minute is not accepted.
Okay, sir.
3 minutes, G buy and G sell, not normal buy and normal sell.
Okay, sir.
With the help of the number.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Any other doubt? So absolutely no doubt in options, are right? Surprised, yeah.
Sir, I found
Learned
stock
lot of
options to
options.
be a little difficult than this index option, sir.
What option?
The
Stock
stock options. So it was a bit confusing for me. This was a little clear when I did my homework, but stock options was a bit confusing.
Why a bit confusing?
There, the movement is not like this, no, sir. One.
Of course, no. If the stock moves by 200 rupees, what will happen to the market?
Correct.
But the quantity there and the quantity here is different, no?
Correct.
Even 1 rupee moves 5,500 the call, quantity it is 5,500, no?
500. Correct.
There also again remains the same. If it holds 3, it holds the key.
Okay.
Example, let's go to Hindustan Lever. Anyway, you are going to trade tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen, but still we will see. So now go to daily. July, it started here. This is the July month, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will take this out. Now, this is July 1st.
Yes.
Now, go to the 15 minutes. Why I'm taking Hindustan Lever? Because it will not move like some other counter, but still see how we can trade this, okay? So now, for July, 9:15 candle. Now, what is the high?
2473.
So you can go and buy 2450 call or 2500 call.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt.
Yes. No doubt. No doubt.
For you. Okay. So now this is the opening price. First 15 minutes candle. What is the high?
45.
45.
So now what is my lowest number?
36.
If it holds 36, it has life. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. So now where to buy?
Above 81.
Hey!
49.
Above 49.
49. Above 49.
Yeah, this is not index made here. Exactly, it gave a fake sell here in 15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
So you are rest assured, you bought it at 49 here.
Yes.
Now it gave a fake sell.
Perfect.
You can add one more year, no?
Right.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Now run the show. And this will be the position without any headache.
Stop loss.
Correct. 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 Perfect.
So now if I am going deep out of the money, now I am going deep out of the money. So now Hindustan Lever opened at what price it opened? 2550. Wow. Yeah, 2550. So now I am going 3 strike price above. 3 strike price above.
It opened at 2450.
Three strike price above. So now what? Since this is Hindustan Lever, it won't give a major movement. So now the number is 3. If it is a normal like Dixon, I will go 3 strike price. But for this guy, because this guy will not give movement, the Hindustan Lever, ITC, Dabur et al. Why the hell they are keeping in F&O? God only knows. God only knows. So now, even if you take 200 strike price, 10% above, 20,700. So now the end card is 3. It has not touched 3. So where I can buy now?
9.
No. You can buy at 4 or you can buy at 6.
Okay, sir. I did not check the numbers, cube number or square number. Sorry.
You can buy at 6. 6 plus 3 divided by 2.
4.5.
Stop loss. 4.5 is the stop loss.
Did not trigger. So.
Double. As of now, double. So if you want to play out of the money call, go and play out of the money call. But don't try to play out of the money call. Once in a rare scenario, this Hindustan Lever, ITC et al. Will give a move. You need to concentrate out of the deep out of the money call in Dixon or Persistent or Adani, something like that sort, where you buy deep out of the money call. You go 10% higher. 10% higher. 10% higher.
Can you show that? Can you show that on Dixon chart, sir?
So where is daily? This is daily.
22,496.
Where it opened?
12,496.
So now if I want to take deep out of the money, what I need to do?
13,000.
You can even take 10%. 10% means 13,500. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Beauty.
Where it went?
Took the support at 144 and 225. Target hit
Got it?
in 3 days.
10% above. So normally what I will do here is, I will first identify which counter I am going to trade for next month. This Hindustan Lever was predicted on June 6th for July. For June 6th for July. So for August, I will be having my counter on 15th of July itself. Then I will go check the pattern, check the time cycle, price, everything. I will take deep out of the money call in July itself. Around 20th, I will take the call out of the money, deep out of the money, quantity. I may get profit or I may not get profit, but when I get profit, it is going to be phenomenal. I don't mind losing 2 rupees for 200 rupees. You got it?
Right.
Okay. Rakesh?
Yeah, sir, in these type of calls, I have seen that there is always a liquidity issue. For example, the current price could be of the particular call is say 80 rupees, and the buyer is and the seller is available at maybe 150 rupees.
Obviously, it will be a liquidity issue. That is why I start tracking these calls on 15th of this month for next month. I will start August entry on 15th of July itself. Always understand one thing. Many people, those who are teaching options also, these people don't know. These people, they are tracking options only when the next month option starts. No, it is wrong. Understand one thing. If you want to understand option, you need to go and do a little bit of that. The big guys, they know what they are going to do next month.
Yes.
Which counter they are going to move higher, which counter they are going to move lower, which counter they are going to eat, everything they know on 15th of July for August.
Yes, yes.
So now what they will do, for example, let's say Dixon is quoting at, let's say 13,000 now, example. The spot price is 30,000 now. So what they will do, they will take 10 strike price above, they will take 10 strike price below. And they will create the liquidity. How they will create the liquidity? They are the buyers, they are the sellers. You go and take. Tomorrow also you go and check anything. They are the buyers, they are the sellers. From 15th they will start. So they will be doing dilly-dally between their own accounts. They will put the buying, they will put the selling. And the difference in this will be roughly around 30-40 rupees.
Yes.
So what they will do? They will be creating some bogus volume and they will be selling in their own accounts, buying and selling, buying and selling. So later on, what the retail will do? They will see suddenly there is some movement in this counter. In options, it is moving 35 rupees here and there, here and there, here and there. Slowly the Janta will come inside. Okay, and they know how many people are coming inside, how many people are going outside. They know all the details. They have all the details with them. Once the sizable people get into that, they will make sure that option is zero. They are doing this.
I know. I'm tracking that from last 3 years.
And we are talking for very, very long time. We know and we understood very clearly what these people are up to, how they are screwing the people left, right, and center. After you jump into that buy now, you will never see the price till the next 15th of August. You are trapped. That is what happened in PEL last month. I told these people.
In this tower also.
I told these people, don't buy, jump and buy. They went and bought jump and buy. I bought it at 2 rupees 50 paisa. I said, accumulate slowly, don't jump and buy. My members jumped and buy on the same day. From 2 rupees, they took it up to 7 rupees 15 paisa. I bought 45,000 shares for Bagesh. I bought 45,000 for myself. I could have sold the entire quantity because it tripled in no minute. If you do that, no, they will simply eat the premium and they will make it zero. And that is what happened last month. They know very well. Now that they will know the total quantity which has come in from 2 rupees to 7 rupees, yes or no? And that too in a particular period of half an hour, not even half an hour, 15 minutes they moved. All the members jumped and bought. I am telling, please don't do, don't jump and buy, wait for the, nobody is ready to listen. So now they know very clearly it is coming from a particular place and that order is getting executed there only. And after half an hour, there is no buyer. Because we all bought and exhausted. Slowly from 7 rupees, they made it to zero.
I can share another very interesting observations also. The day when they buy a huge quantity for next 3 days, they take it at least 1% or 2% down so that all the people, the time decay will happen for them and they exit. And once they exit, then after 3 days, they make a move.
That is what I'm telling you. No, wait for the blue. Why I'm telling don't jump. This is the reason. Wait for, no need to jump. They are not jumping, no. See, when I was in Morgan Stanley, I will get the order exactly by 11 o'clock to buy certain number of share, certain number of quantity, and they will give the price. I was in institutional dealing. They will never say, buy all this quantity in the next 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour. No, they will never say this. They will always say, this is the quantity which you need to buy. And I need to get every 30 minutes this much of quantity from the market. And you need to finish this quota by end 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, no order. The same order will be given to 10 different brokers. Not one broker, 10 different brokers. 10 different brokers will having the same quantity of the same Reliance. Example, same Reliance. And we need to buy the quantity. We will never jump and buy. Because if we jump and buy, if let's say I am jumping and buying that stock to capture the entire 5 lakhs, I will be moving the prices or not.
Yes.
Then what they will do in the end, they will have the sheet. Which broker bought how many share at what rate? Whoever bought at the highest price, he will not get the order next day. He will not get the order next day. Whoever bought it at the lowest price, he will get the order, repeated order next day. That is the challenge we face. So we all will be trying to buy only at the lowest price so that we will get the next day order. So if I am going, I want to buy it at the lowest order, do you think I will be jumping and buying? Tell me. That is our.
You'll be waiting for the price to correct.
I am the one. I will create the liquidity. I will create these people to come into the board. Everything we will do, but we will be doing only with 2 lakh shares. The remaining 5 lakh, 3 lakh shares is where I am going to buy at the lowest level. This is our job, boss. For that,
Then what is exit strategy?
Huh?
What is exit strategy by Morgan Stanley then?
That is a useless strategy, which I never go with that Morgan Stanley strategy. According to me, the number 1 useless company in the world is Morgan Stanley. According to me. Even though I worked, I am telling. That is a useless company I ever seen in my world. So whenever Morgan Stanley come out with the buy report, I will sell. Whenever they say sell, I will buy. I will do only ulta. I will do only ulta. Okay, leave them. The research report and all, according to me, it is useless to the core. Because they came out in 2003. They said that when the index was 900, when the index was 900, Nifty was 900, they said exit India and get out. This is the phrase they used in the research report. Exit India and get out. That was the exact low of Nifty. From 900, it went to 4,500. At 4,500, they came and said, buy Nifty. Those who sold at 900, they are all already standing naked in Dalal Street. Now you are telling after 3 years, buy at 4,500. Who will buy?
So it means they are manipulating the market and trying to buy at the lower level.
Manipulating our market. According to me, their research is wrong.
Okay.
My guru on the same day, my guru said, buy now Nifty 863.95. This will be the low of Nifty. You will never see this number in your life. That was a big contradiction between me and Morgan Stanley. I gave a buy call, Morgan Stanley gave a sell call. I gave a buy call. Because of my guru, I gave a buy call. But Morgan Stanley came out with a sell call. Fundamental research. Mine is pure technical. That time and all, I don't know anything about the number. My guru told me this number, I flashed in the screen. In Yahoo Messenger. That is all I know that time. I don't know any number, nothing. My guru said, this is the bottom to buy. You will never see this number in your life. That is what he said. 863.95. That is the number. Still I know. He is in my Telegram channel. He joined my course. The 5th batch, he joined my course to learn timing technique. So in this case, there is no guru, there is no Shishya here. All are Shishya only. He is great in numbers, but he doesn't know time trading. So he came and joined. I said, I don't want fees from you. He said, no, I will pay the fees only, then only I will join. If you don't take the fees, I will not join. That is what is condition. Now 3 of his disciples is in my group. Active member in my Fortune Advisors group. So I don't believe them. And after that, I left it very completely that all these fundamentals are nothing but cheating. And especially even if any local, if Motilal Oswal comes out with a report on Reliance, I may accept it. But CLSA comes out with the research report on Reliance, I will not accept. I will not accept. You may accept, I will not accept. And that is why I left it. I have not even read any of the fundamental research report for the last 10 years. According to me, it is tissue paper which you can use it in the toilet. It will be very useful there. Because they use good paper. So it will be very useful in the toilet rather than using it for buying and selling. That is my way of understanding market. But I am not telling that fundamental is waste. Many people have done wonders. For me, it is waste. That is what I am telling. So my time technique, my numbers knows everything rather than any of the fundamental research. So the big players is there to screw you only. That is what I am telling again and again.
Yes.
They know which stock they are going to move. I am not telling that they are also using timing technique. Maybe they will use also. I don't know that. If Gann is very famous in US, do you think they will not be using time analysis? Tell me. Everybody, all the mutual funds said, without, this is human brain. The mutual funds are managed by the human brain. The human brain, blah, 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 blah. Now all are getting into AI. Why? Why? All are now getting into AI. The recent quant fund, which is called the AI fund, which is nothing but buying and selling, pure positional swing trading. Swing trading mechanism, mutual fund. That is really rocking than any other fund which is already available. So now these people are getting into algo. When I had a conversation with Naren, CEO of ICICI Prudential, he said, Partha, that and all not possible. You know, human brain is there to do the research. We have 20 people research team to go and meet the companies, take the response board, blah, 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 blah. Then we will come out with the research board. Bloody, the AI is doing much better than you. They have given little fundamental thing. They said the market capitalization should be this much. The PE ratio will be this much. Return on equity is this much. A certain normal condition. After that, it is simple moving average. If somebody is coming out with better algo, maybe he will be using Ichimoku rather than moving average. So now all are getting into AI. If you take 70% of the funds in US, already moved to AI. 70% of the fund. Now it is completely managed by AI only. There is no human intervention at all.
So you mean the buying and selling happens automatically?
Yes.
Okay.
It's already started in India, boss.
Okay.
Only 2 people was there, 6 months before. Now in this month, 3 people came. So now we already have 7 funds more totally. Believe me, in the next 1 month time, it will be more than 30 people will be having this AI. Minimum 30. Now, most of the funds which now they are going to come out newly, it will be AI based rather than your fundamental based. Because if you go with fundamental, you cannot beat the index, no. They are not able to beat the index. They are struggling. They are literally struggling. Last many mutual funds, they are not able to beat index return. Why? Everybody has put more than 10% their full fund in HDFC Bank. Not at all performed. So now they understood because they are facing severe pressure from the clients. Bloody, when the market is running 25%, your fund is not even going more than 14%. Then why the hell we pay money to you? They are taking commission, no? Fund management commission they are taking, no?
Yes.
I should simply go to my Nifty Bs. Why the hell I need to give you money? So now this AI fund will not touch HDFC Bank. It will only catch the momentum stock. Because they need that quick return to beat other mutual fund managers so that they will get more AUM into their fold. So now
Sir, who is using AI now, sir? Which mutual fund?
Anyway, first, it started with IIFL is using.
Who, sir?
IIFL, 360 fund, quant fund. Then quant came. Quant was doing extremely well. Quantramental, it was doing extremely well. Then after that ICICI came, then Kotak came, now Aditya Birla came this month. And now they will be coming out with quant mid-cap fund, quant small cap fund. Believe me, this is what is going to happen in the next 3-4 years time. They will not come out with small cap fund. No, it is already there. Now they will come out with, because the small cap is giving a lot of volatility. No. Now the small cap is doing wonder. So the AI will fix up based on any other parameter, let's say EMA, SMA, or based on the number, some nonsense system they will bring it. So it will automatically buy and sell. It will automatically buy and sell. Even this was introduced first by Edelweiss. Edelweiss was very active in this. Slowly everybody gained that. Now the PMS manager, leave the mutual fund. The PMS managers are coming out with quant fund. They developed an algo. They developed an algo. Now everything is algo based. The algo doesn't need Naren brain, no. If Naren is not there, the fund will do better rather than Naren. One day we will face a phenomenal problem because of this. That's a different issue altogether. So as of now, everything is algo based, and 70% of the fund in US is already moved to algo. Whatever parameter which you are going, it may be EMA, SMA, or pivot, give or take. I don't know. There are 10,000 indicators which are available. Somebody, whoever wants to take it, let them take it and run it. So the AI will definitely screw us. And these and all, they are managing, the buy and sellers will be managing manually. Think at that time it was around 100 F&O, now we are having 184. So each person will manage one stock, 10 strike price higher, 10 strike price lower. So whenever you want to observe the option market, what you need to do? If the market is opening at, let's say, 24,000 Nifty, 24,000 Nifty, whether it is in monthly or a weekly or a daily, you need to keep 10 strike price above, 10 strike price below. You need to start watching from there. For example, Monday, tomorrow morning, mid cap is opening. The mid cap is roughly around 11,000. Example, whatever, 10,000. So you in your screen, 10,000 call and put, 10,100, 10,200 up to 12,000. In the downside, whatever it is, 10 strike price below call and put. If you watch it, you will clearly know what these people are doing. Where the price is getting stuck, in which strike price it is getting stuck. Which strike price is getting stuck at 36. That is what you need to watch. Then you will understand the logic behind these options. Believe me, whatever number, if you open tomorrow and open this, if you open your face and eyes and see, all the 10 strike price will be trading only in our numbers only. I can give a bet. It will be trading only in our number only. From there only they will start. 10 strike price above, 10 strike price below. It will trade only in our number. So I understood very clearly this volume profile, this PCR ratio, implied volatility, all according to me dash. I understood it is based on numbers. So I go with my numbers. I don't create the volume profile where they are sitting, sleeping, they build a huge quantity. That and all they know, 1 week, 2 weeks before itself, they know, yeah. They are sitting with 2 lakh, 3 lakh crores, and we are sitting with 20,000, 2 lakh rupees. Do you think they will make us to make money? Are they fool or what? In spite of that, we need to win them. We will win. 101% we will win if you focus only on the numbers. No indicator needed. Only numbers. Got it?
Yes, sir. When is our algo coming? When is our algo coming?
I told you, no. Not this algo. We are coming out with something best. We have already done. Magesh told me that I should not speak about this. So,
sir, this month is trial period.
No. The result is phenomenal. Phenomenal. We are seeing the result. Every day night we are sitting on that only. Even yesterday night we had the webinar. Day before we had the webinar. The result is, you cannot imagine the result. Every month it is clocking 70%. Month on month. Okay, so we are coming. We are coming in a big way in algo.
Sir, 21 दिन में पैसा double.
Why I want to come out with algo is 2 things. One, because of my health. I don't want to sit, from 9:15 to 3:30 for 3,000 rupees and answering 10,000 same questions, same answer again and again and again.
Right. Very right.
Irritating for me.
Exactly.
From 3690, from 9:15 to 3:30, then again 6 o'clock to 3, again 11 o'clock in the night.
Sir, you have been through a lot, sir.
What is the point? Instead, I can simply close this thing. You be in my community thing. You want to enter and exit. That's all. No. You don't want fortune signals. Close that fortune signals. I will give only 1 call per day. Make money and get out. So that my life is peaceful. No.
Sir, we don't need your call, sir. We need you. That's it.
I will teach you. I'm not telling no to it. I will take the class. For 360, people are charging 25,000 rupees for only calls. Yeah, you want me to show? I will show now. They will give only 3 calls per week, 25,000 rupees per month plus GST. Because today also when I had the meeting with the doctor, he said, Partha, if you are going to do that, your health is going for a toss. Assured.
You had the medical test today.
Yes, sir. True.
Sure. My eyes is already going for a toss, the left eye. It is because of diabetes. Yesterday when I took my report, it is so high. Even I got worried, my wife got worried. So today I fixed appointment in the morning. She's saying only one thing, sleeping habit, finished. If you don't manage your sleeping, you will die. Why it is happening? Only from the members. Same question 10,000 times. Even today morning, I got three questions. Sir, you have posted one number. How to trade this number? Yesterday only I posted how to trade this number. The video is here. I put the clicking also. What do you want me to do?
Sorry, sir, for everything.
Sir,
It is happening.
bring that. Yes, sir.
Because the people are not ready to read the message.
They are not able to learn, sir, also.
And they are not ready to learn. And they want everything in the spoon, not even put in the mouth. That stomach, the spoon, I need to put it in the stomach.
Even they don't have patience, sir. So whatever.
The stomach also. So that is why I am thinking of closing this 3690 Ola. I don't know.
Don't close it. So bring the algo first, then close it.
Yeah, that I know for sure. But anyway, I am not going to close it because I am going to create my own elite member with me. Without them, I die. So I already have my elite members. I will be adding few more and I will be trading only with them. Rest everything I want to move to algo. And one thing for sure, nobody can do my algo in India. Nobody can do.
This way I hope, sir.
They are all EMA, SMA indicator based. Mine is time based. Nobody can do. I only know what I do. Nobody else can do.
Sir, how to get added in your membership list?
So that and all you need to do a lot of 6 months. You need to be in the system and you need to show your involvement, dedication, patience, and the loving of market by the way of expressing your chart to me. See, today somebody has done the homework in the batch 20. He has done a phenomenal homework and he has taken more than 10 different charts and he has plotted these numbers and he showed how this number to this number it is working like mad. 10 different chart I got. I think it is Murthy. I don't know. I forgot his name. Murthy. So he has sent me that posting. So it means his involvement. And that is what is more important. I don't want the profit. Whether your call goes to loss also, I don't care, or whether your call goes to profit also, I don't care. But I want to see the involvement. If the involvement is there, it means he's having a love and passion towards the market. So it is easy for me to coach him. And I will be watching these people for the last 6 months before I took into the elite member. And I am not charging anything extra, not even 1 paisa extra. I don't want your money, first of all.
Definitely, sir. We would like to be participate and we'll work towards it.
They want to have a elite member, they will be charging 1 lakh. Here I am not charging anything. Come with love and passion to me.
Sure, sir. We will.
Prove to me that you have love and passion towards the market. Then you will be my elite member. That's all. Nothing more than that. For that, I will be taking my own time to judge you.
No, sir. We'll show you the same and then you can take the call.
Roughly around 25 people joined there. 25 people joined there.
Yeah.
Only 3 or 4 are active. Rest 21 are sleeping. 21 are sleeping. Even after doing all the due diligence I took. This is the involvement. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all these 21 people and I'm going to add the new one.
Sir, actually, a lot of people might be having that, this thing dedication which you're talking about. The only thing is that most of us are, working. That becomes the problem. In my case, it is the biggest problem.
No. The first condition itself, you should be a full-time trader. That is the first condition.
Right. That is the problem. To become one is a problem.
No. It is not the question of money. It is not the question of money. See, if I am taking somebody, why I am telling that the first condition itself, you need to be a full-time trader, because you are going to initiate the call, which will have an impact with others' money, no?
Absolutely. More responsibility.
The responsibility first come to me. I need to answer. You are not going to answer. I need to answer. If Ankit is in my elite group and he is giving a call and I am posting in the community group, if it goes wrong, the people will ask me, not Ankit, no.
Absolutely, your face, sir.
Right, sir.
I need to face it.
So where to submit the homework? Where to submit the homework?
In my WhatsApp, no, what is there?
Okay, to you.
To me.
To him.
Okay.
Okay, chalo, leave all that. So now, any doubt in the options? We move to the chapter.
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. No.
Okay, so now again go back and because this is going to be the bread and butter, I am ready to answer any point of time. If you have any doubt, Prakash,
Yes, sir.
please be in mute. I am getting some noise.
Sorry, sir.
If you have any doubt, post a small video. Post a small video, 30 seconds video, 1 minute video, and ask me. Don't write 20 lines. Don't write 20 lines. Just open a chart, take a mobile, make a video and send it to me. Sir, this is my doubt in this option where I need to trade. I will give you answer immediately. Then and there I will clear it off.
Okay, sir.
This is the one which is going to give you money.
Sir, one small doubt. I know it's too early to ask, but still I would like you to clarify on that. Since you told us, you gave us a tentative date that by 30th August we'll be getting the algos. So just an idea how much initial capital one should have to trade with that algo.
1 lakh.
How much, sir?
1 lakh.
Oh, that's it. All right.
Chalo, we will come. There are many things are there. We will come out later. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Now let's go and move. Yeah.
Sir, there is a question in Reliance.
Tell me.
Sir, on Friday, sir, in 1 minute, it will show 2 times fake sell.
Which stock?
Reliance.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, later around 2:30, it will give a sell call, then again buy call, and it will raise around 30-40 rupees. Sir, so we should move in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or we will stuck into 1 minute only. So, operator will play a game.
The FS knows the operator game. Now this is the sell. Any candle close to below?
No.
Right. So now this is full day. Okay. So now this is the first candle of 5th. This is the first candle. 30 minutes low. This is the G cell.
Yes, sir.
In daily, if you are doing 1 minute time frame, there is no question of G cell for you. There is a normal sell and normal buy because intraday. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now this is the first candle. Sorry, this is the first candle.
Yes.
Now this candle closed above, or more or less, or this candle closed below. You can go short here at the blue.
Okay.
Stop loss triggered here. You got a buy, a candle closed above the buy here.
Yes,
Stop
sir.
loss triggered. You went short at 3116, your stop loss got triggered at 3128. So roughly around 12 rupees loss. Then again, you got a buy. You can buy here at 3133 when the blue touch. $3138 is the exit.
Okay, sir.
But simply,
Sir, open Tata Motors 1100 call once, sir, please.
Out of the money.
Sir, according to 1 minute chart, I was just doing the homework on this. So here at the beginning, sir, first.
Boss, options don't do 1 minute. I said no.
No, I was just doing the homework. I was just checking how this also works.
I told Don't do in 1 minute. No, it should be in 5 minutes. No,
Okay, okay. Now let's go to 5 minutes only, sir. Okay.
please, 5 minutes. So now, if you take year, let's go to July. Let's go to July. Watch this. Let's go to July. Now, what is the dead end of this?
Pink color.
3.
3 rupees.
Close to below.
Yes.
Yes.
Very difficult.
And
Now, even if you want to buy, where to buy?
Above that, 1 second, sir. Above 4.
Arey, no, yeah.
6.
No.
Above 6.
See how beautifully they are managing.
6 and 3 touched.
Finished. See how they are managing it. Letting no option teacher can teach you this. I can give it to you in writing. Maybe if he joined my course, then he can go and teach outside.
So here our stop loss is 1.5.
4.5.
You can keep it, but the buying is only about 6. No.
No. If somebody has bought it, so here also then the stop loss is 1.5.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, what should be the minimum figure for the stocks which are below 100, like GMR?
Huh?
What should be the minimum strike price which should be looking for? Should not go below that. Premium should not go below that. Stocks which have lower price value like GMR below 100 and all.
So that and all, like you can take even 1 rupee, but normally it's very difficult to trade those stocks. Sale, 150 rupees and all. Forget it.
Right. That is what I want to do.
You want to make money, boss. You need volatility.
Right.
You understood or not? What is the purpose of trading ITC? Tell me.
No purpose. I don't trade that.
That's only for option writers. When the time comes, it will fly. For example, the Petronet and Power Grid. Earlier, I was talking about 1 year before. These two stocks, they used to only buy the FIIs or the big players to eat the premium only. They will not take above, they will not take below.
Same is happening this year.
They will trade within this number for the whole month. But once
Even with PFs and REC was also the same way. They were not moving only. They were just
many stocks will be like that. But when the time comes, when the price converges, it will double. When the petrol price came into the picture, I said from here double. That time you can go and buy the option. Otherwise, waste.
Right.
There are many options still like this. There are many counter which is giving phenomenal move. Indian Bank is giving phenomenal move. But the bloody they are not adding that into F&O. You go to Indian Bank, go and check how Indian Bank is giving move. It is better than SBI. I'm not talking about the fundamental. I'm talking about the movement. That is what we need here to make money. So many stocks are giving movement, but that is not coming into the criteria because they have a lot of criteria. In that criteria, it is not met. But okay, chalo, no problem. But few companies not at all doing anything. Why the hell you are keeping it in the F&O? There is no liquidity. Call is quoting at 85. The seller is quoting at 140. What is the purpose of trading? Waste, no?
Right.
But still they are having it.
They must be having their own rules.
That's why what I am telling, take the stocks which are quoting above 3,000. You can target, you don't need to target the 184 stocks. First decide, okay, chalo, I am going to concentrate on the stocks which are from 3,000 to 4,000 only. First, screening. So now in that you will get, let's say 25 stocks. Let's say 25 stocks. In that 25 stocks, which are giving momentum.
Volatility.
So remaining knockout. So 50% will be knocked out there. So you will have only 12 scripts. In that 12 scripts, which is giving more momentum, which is available at the price, which is available based on the pattern, which is available based on the time. So if you knock out another 10 will go off. Only 5 will remain. Trade only this 5 for your life. Finished. You don't need anything. Now you have the number also. Now you have only the 5 stocks which you need to cater. Now I have already told you how to trade the option, whether it is out of the money, in the money, whatever money. Trade only these 5 stocks now.
Thank you very much for the clarity, sir.
That's all.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, can you open India Mart 2700C?
Sir, before that, I had a query in this same Tata Motors 1100 call.
Ah.
If it goes above 6, then we will initiate a buy, and a stop loss will be 4.5, right? Okay. Perfect. Thanks.
लिस्ट कर लो, ये सब बुक्स के बाद आता है, ठीक है? ये पढ़ रहे हैं, वो देख रहे हैं.
Prakash. Yeah, Rahul, tell me.
India Mart, sir, 2700C.
Kala.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, many times the stock has crossed 2700. It has reached to 2740 also, but the call price is not increasing. It is not crossing 108.
First of all, this guy today, this month, it is having a bullish pattern based on the seasonality.
Right.
This is one of the counter. One counter is India Mart and second counter is SBI card. Both are bloody not giving momentum. Even this guy is not giving momentum. But based on seasonality, it is there. It has to give 100%. I don't know. It may come even the next week also. But now, if you want to trade now, first of all, it is in buy.
Right.
So now it is not given a sell.
Right.
Now let's go to India Mart. What is the July opening price? 2697. So 2700 call.
Yes.
Got it? Right. So now 2700 call. First, the number is 36.
Right.
The next number is 49. The next number is
664.
The next number is
81.
931. Nah?
81.
81, my dear. So now it has given an entry. Now it has given an entry. It gave an entry. Now stop loss is 81 plus 63 divided by 2.
It's 64, no? 64.
Whatever, boss. Okay, chalo 64. So now 81 is given by 64 is divided by is a stop loss. Now the first target is 100. It is done 100. Now what is the next target?
121.
121.
You need to wait. But when it gives money, it will do the cycle. I am still.
Sir, why this stock is respecting 108?
I don't know, because 108 is the magical number. No? So
Magic number.
You don't know what is the importance of 108.
Yes, I understand that, but it is neither square or cube. So that was the reason, because even if we take 81 plus 144, the average is 112.5. So it is not even touching that. It is going and touching 108 and coming back again and again.
108 is the magical number of the universe. 108 is the magical number of the universe.
One more thing, sir. I want to understand. I have taken this call 2700. The price reached 2740 also, but still the premium is not increasing.
Momentum is not there.
It has many a times it has happened that the stock price is moving, but the premium is not increasing.
Momentum. Maybe they are voluntarily doing it to screw people to move like one side like this one day. That is also possible, no?
is it like in terms of selecting the wrong strike price?
No. You have selected the correct strike price. No doubt about it. They are playing with this. Maybe it is an 100% bullish category this month. Maybe they are eating the premium so that people will go short, and then it is easy for him to take it from 81 to 144 in a matter of minutes. No.
Correct.
So now it is it is checking at 108, yes or no?
Yes.
Now after few times the people will say, Reddy, this is not going above 108, we can go short here.
Right.
So the accumulation will happen on the short side. So from here what do you one blip 24.
स्पेलिंग तो यहाँ पे स्पेलिंग अगर
ELEPHANT
हाँ तो P के बाद
H है ना?
P के बाद H P के बाद
Boss, can you mute?
H लिखना तो
यहाँ पे E में डाल के P के बाद H लिखा ना आप?
Somebody is.
Amit Kumar, please mute. Yeah.
Amit, bro.
So now, if they move it to, let's say, 108 to 144, now these people has to come and cover.
Correct.
They will simply take it up to 196. They are not moving everything. They will only move the initiation level. Rest everything is done by the retail people. They only take it up this one. They will only give the shock. Once the shock given, the stock will fly. But it is still there in my radar. It is still there in my radar.
Okay. I am holding this as stock, sir, in options.
Okay. Right. So now let's go to the number. Okay. So now whether you understood these numbers, how to trade? Or you want to check?
Right, sir.
Stop. Okay. Let's go to 144. 432 first. 432. So now any stock you tell me. Let's go to Tata Motors. Let's go to Tata Motors.
Take Siemens, sir.
Yeah. Which one?
Siemens.
Anything you take, boss. What is there? So once it close above one, but this number to this number is 100%. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now, if you are doing this, the stop loss is 25%, the target is 100%. You got it, Amit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now from 0 to 434, what is 25%? 25% of 424 is how much?
432, sir.
108.
108. 108. So 324 will place a stop loss.
So now once it passes, so now once it cross above, you can keep it at 428, or you can use Fibonacci level number and you can move from this to this. And again, now it has taken a support there only, no?
Yes, sir.
So where is the target now? When it comes to Tata Motors, where is the target now? 1, 2?
1728.
What is the next target? In between, you keep one number, which is the phenomenal number, which is nothing but
720.
it will act as a resistance, it will act as support. Once it close above, it will act as a support. Once it not able to close above, it will act as a resistance. Very simple. Even in options, it will do wonders. Even in options, it will do wonders. For example, if you go to Dixon.
Dixon 11,000 call.
13,000 call. Simple. One liner.
Sir, can
12,000
you
call will have better move.
can you give some example in bank Nifty and Nifty?
You want the call,
Yes. Call or put anyone?
Which one you tell me, I will open. For me, no problem.
So tomorrow we are expecting Bank Nifty to go down, take the put.
Sure. Now, what is the closing now? Bank Nifty closing.
52,500.
Now it is at 227. 267. So what is the first number to watch out?
225.
What was the low?
Exactly, sir.
Exactly that. Next target is 441.
Deal done. Now what is the next target? 832. That's all. No. It will, boss. I'm telling you, boss, your option chain analysis, butterfly, cat, dog, straddle, strangle doesn't work in stock market in options. Numbers will do wonders. Very simple.
Sir, you only day time frame, 1 day time frame, or we can go 5 minutes and 15 minutes.
15 minutes is what you are going to trade now. 15 minutes is what you are going to
Just to plot that level here.
use daily.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So now
Let's go to the topic, sir.
okay. So now these are all the numbers. Kindly go and do the homework. And this is degree can number. If you want the intermediary target in stocks, for example, let's say I bought it at Tata Motor. Let's say at 961. If you go to the normal cube and square, the next number will be bigger. So after 961, where is the next immediate target? Is 977. After that, the next immediate target 993, then 109, then 1025. Like that, you can use this. But predominantly, I will not concentrate on this. I will concentrate only on my square number to square number or cube number to cube number. You got it?
Yes.
Right? So keep that as a predominant thing. But if you want the minor targets, you want to exit, you made money, no need to. No, now in option, you know the exit price, you know the price, everything. But when it comes to stock, if you are holding a cash stock, then use these numbers. Use these numbers. But don't try to confuse with many numbers, then obviously you will lose the momentum, or sorry, you lose the crux of it. Adding more and more is painful. That is what people are making a mistake. They are thinking that if I add more number system, they are able to capture the top and the bottom. No, you will lose your bottom first. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Add more indicator. People are adding more indicator for what? To catch the momentum, to catch the low, to catch the top. Everything they are having more momentum, adding more and more indicator. It means your bottom will be out. So adding more numbers, problem. So what you need to now understand, how I can focus only on this 144 to 225 and how to sit with this momentum. This is the only thing which you need to learn when it comes to option. Nothing more than that is needed. Forget 225 to 324 or forget 144 to 81. Forget that. Concentrate only on this type price where it is quoting at 144 to 221. Keep that call and put only.
Exactly, sir. This is what I was saying in the morning. Yes.
Only 3 lots. Your target is done on the day. Close the system, run away. 7,500 done. And for this, you don't need even 50,000 rupees margin. Even 25,000 rupees you can do. But I'm not telling that. You keep 1 lakh. You keep 1 lakh and trade this. Trade only this. No other option. 3 lots only. If you get 7,500 rupees, close the system. Into 20 days or even 15 days, 5 days loss, no problem. In 1 lakh, you already doubled your capital, boss. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why you need too much of things when the market is ready to give you money? So practice this for a while. Practice this for another 1 week also, no problem. Practice this for, this is what is going to give you money. This is what is going to give you money. Time cycle later, we can put it. All that we will do. But practice this for next 1 week. No need to trade. Start from tomorrow. Any bank nifty call, any bank nifty put, what it is doing from 144 to 225, whether it is doing it or not. If it happens in a week, how many times it is doing it? You will get the conviction. 3 lots, boss, your life is peaceful. No other work needed. People are complicating things in this. Straddle, strangle, butterfly, malice, liquid, buy. In between do that, it is theirs. They wrote heavy call there. They wrote heavy put here. In between, it's useless. Even if that happens, it will be happening only at our number. Take it from me. It will be happening only at our number. Okay. Yeah. Chaudhary.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I was checking the numbers in Ethereum, sir. I'm into crypto as well. So I was checking the numbers in Ethereum yesterday, and it was respecting the numbers.
It will. It will. Aditya.
Yeah.
Aditya, what is?
Sir, 144 and 255, is it because the total is 369?
Okay. Okay. Then what? Then what?
Just an observation that maybe that's why you're recommending the numbers. Is that true?
It's not like that. It is one of the reason, but it is according to me a planetary cycle.
Okay, sir.
I already told you, it is Jupiter to Venus. Okay, so that is why I predominantly work on that, and anyway 369 is my number, so I want to be with that only, and it is working like mad. No? What more do you want?
Yes, sir.
It is working like a mad. Chalo, Ankit.
So, sir, just to summarize this, we need to watch the calls which are ranging between 144 to 225. Any call or put option closing for 5 minute on 5-minute candle above these numbers, we need to take on retracement only.
Gotcha.
All right.
Practice this. Okay. Yeah, Prashant.
Sir, good morning. So, I just like to know, so you talked about the astro cycles, right? So we will be taking only the eclipse, or we can take the Jupiter and Saturn's movement as well?
Once I start that topic, no, you will say enough is enough. That time you will say, now you are asking, no, that time you will say enough is enough. I need to go only with one planet. I don't want 100 planets.
Okay, because for Bank Nifty, I was trying to cope up with Jupiter. I was doing that homework, so I just thought to ask. So
Don't worry. I'll teach. Don't
okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Just I tried this 144 and 225. It's doing very nice, sir. Very nice. I did back test of nearly 1-2 months. It's doing very good, sir. That's what I did. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. For IT, 6 or 7 IT stocks last year, July to August, I marked a pattern. These shares have moved in 3 phases. One is a spike on upside or downside, and the other 2 phases are, either on the lower side or the upper side of this spike which has come. Any particular reason for this, and can we expect the same thing in July this year?
This is called.
For example, LT Mindtree, very peculiar. Yeah.
This is called seasonality. What you need when you go to do the seasonality, you need to go and track the last 20 years data.
Okay.
Possible you do it. Okay. Take only one script. Don't get into 10 and all. First get the conviction in one, then you move to 20, 30, 40, 50 and all. Okay. So first you want to see from 20, as I already told you, the major cycle is 20, and because we are not having data more than 30 years. Very rarely we get 30 years data in our own Indian stocks. In NASDAQ, here it is very rarely. Okay. So go to the last 20 years of data and take Mindtree. Since you took my Mindtree, I'm telling Mindtree. Okay.
Right.
entry and see where the predominant top and the predominant bottom is happening in that particular stock in the last 20 years.
Okay.
And write the data.
Okay.
Then see how many times it is making a high or it is making a low in the month of January.
Okay.
So in this 20 years, maybe example, 3 times the high is made in January and 3 times the low is made in January. Example.
Okay.
So once you do the analysis for the 20 years of data, you will have one full data.
Right.
In that, go and check where, in which month it has predominantly made the bottom or in which month it predominantly makes the top.
Okay.
Out of 20. Let's say
Right,
out
boss.
of 20, let's say out of 20, it says that every July month, out of
Yes.
20 observation, 7
Mhm.
times July month it makes the bottom. Then that
Okay.
is how you need to trade in that month. First seasonality.
Okay.
That is the first confirmation. It doesn't mean that it will do the same thing in the next month. No surety.
Agreed. That is why I said I noticed that for July and August,
You
up
go
to June, no particular trend, but July and August, there is probably a common pattern, meaning movement happening in 3 buckets. One is on the lower side, one is a huge volatility where 10 to 15% movement is there in 3-4 days. And the third one is on the upper side of this range.
Yeah, you can do that also. So now there is one more thing also which you can add. For example, let's talk about Mindtree only. Since you took the Mindtree, we will go to Mindtree. So once you do that homework, what you can do?
LT,
Yeah.
LTIM.
Okay. So now what you can do?
Go to monthly chart.
You go to daily first. You go daily first. You are saying July month, there is some kind of a movement is happening. Yes or no? So which date, which date it is happening?
No, I'm saying, okay, I don't have the chart right now, but July the 15th के आसपास there was a huge volatility.
So now, for example,
23.
let's go to last July. Let's go to last July. Okay.
Yes. Third week of July.
The top happens on July now.
Oh, yes.
The top happened on July. But
Right.
percentage on that day, it is nothing. See,
I agree.
this is the percentage. 0.1
Right.
is nothing, no movement. So now, after making the seasonality, what you can do? You can go and check on that July month. Let's say July month, it is making a bottom and it is started moving up, on which is giving a momentum.
Okay.
Earlier, we went for month. Now we
Right.
daily. Now we are coming for which day it is giving a momentum.
Okay.
Then you will get a pattern.
All right.
You will get a pattern. On 15th of every month in July, this guy is giving momentum.
Okay.
Seasonality. Again seasonality. So possibility of coming July 15th, it may give a momentum.
That's what I was wondering, because the swings are too huge, about 10 to 15% in a span of 1 week. So we go with a call or put. I mean, one can be doomed if one gets it wrong. Actually,
No.
it has happened with me in the past.
No, that's okay, boss.
July month only.
No, that time you need to use the number in the options. Or
Okay.
FS will tell you very clearly. For example, let's go and check. The major date movement. 1 second. Mm-hmm. 6%. Anything about 10% here? No. Let's go to Adani.
Okay.
%28%. You got it?
Right.
Very rare.
Right.
Very rare scenario. Market remembers these dates.
Okay.
Market remembers these dates. So when any stock, now this is the second seasonality thing. Any stock
Right.
is giving the maximum movement on a higher side or on a lower side will be respected in the future also.
Okay.
So now this is, let's say, 1st February. Okay. So now
Right.
this will act as a trend change date. It may give a momentum also, or it may be a trend change date also.
Okay.
So now in this case, this is the first fall, yes or no?
Yes.
So it is 20% roughly.
Right.
It is 27th June, 27th Jan.
Right.
So now go check.
27th of this year.
Sir, 2023, that was a event because of an event, sir. That Heidelberg case came now.
Event and all, forget it, boss. We don't care.
Okay.
That is the bottom for 2024, boss.
Reasons can be anything. There'll be a new reason for this year, in the next year, and next year, and next year. The story will be told for the mass consumption, but the date will help. Okay, great, sir.
Now, if you take this is the bottom of that one, this year, this is the bottom. 27th was holiday.
So, sir, can I take away from this that we should see it more as a trend change? Probably, it can be the opposite of the previous instance, right?
Yes.
It could be anything.
Yeah, I mean, I was only trying to get that confirmation that it need not follow the same path. What I was seeing in IT stock, that it has gone down during the third week, and then there is again a spike. So it can be reversed this year. They may play it the reverse way this year.
See,
The volatility.
The only thing you need to understand, that is the first trend change date. On that day, trend rule.
Correct.
Time
Correct.
stamp is more important.
See,
Right.
two stocks, I do my analysis and I will clearly tell. See how I predicted 8% movement in index. In Reliance, how I predicted. Same.
Right.
Same.
Reliance, some people say that there are particular dates on which the movement happens, the large movement.
Mostly on the Mercury date or mostly on the solar date. These two are very crucial for Reliance, but I have my own philosophy on how to understand Reliance. And the recent analysis of 8% is happened only because of this analysis.
Okay.
Whenever the date comes near, if it moves by 2%, the remaining 6% will be done.
Oh, okay.
Past. It's a past analysis. It's a past reading. So if you want to get, that is why I say no. If you put too much of time in one stock, no, the stock will be speaking to you.
You're right, sir.
Rather than speaking to your wife, speak to the stock. It will reply you very good. You understand?
Absolutely correct. Thank you, sir.
Karan.
No, you provided a valid reason. You provided a.
Yeah, the Reliance will give you better result, and you can even judge it. Even though they are playing with, many people are playing with Reliance, but she will only listen to you. That is the beauty.
No, when I heard for the first time, I did check back certain dates, spent a few hours and found it was correct. The movement was there, whether it was on the downside or upside, on the given dates, it was there. Given week, at least, I could notice.
Now watch this.
So,
Again, I'll give you one more clue. Every 21st of month of Adani Enterprises is the trend change of the month. Every 21st.
something happens, yes.
That's on that day.
Yeah.
And you can use this for your life. Predominant bottom or predominant top is happening there only. So now, even if you go to last month, or you take it from January month, okay? Let's go to January. Okay, that is 21st. 21st is holiday. So,
right.
23rd, that is where the bottom made. Again, you go to next 21st. February 21st, maybe here. But predominantly 21st, where it makes the predominant bottom or a predominant top. Because why? Because of something happened here.
Oh, okay.
And this date happened, and this is a cyclic day. On the cyclic day only it made the top. The Edinburgh news and all, it is, according to me, I will not consider that. The time knows this much better is what I am telling you. The news and the rumors will come and attach with the time. You got it?
You're right, sir. And probably these big business houses also use some astro dates for taking their major business decisions, and hence the movement will finally come on, will be based on that. So
See,
timing is probably, decisions are linked to the date, astro, and hence the movement is also linked to that.
see, when we said that 2019 November, we said that market will collapse by roughly around 60% based on the past category, based on the past seasonality. Nobody realized. And even I have not realized, because after 3 months it is not doing. But when the news came, COVID, it done no. So
The news will come.
event will come and attach with the time. But the time is the one which is showing everything much before to you.
Already, yes. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Thank
Rumors
you.
or whatever nonsense, it will come and attach to the time to show the result.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And you can take your favorite companies, go back and check where, for example, let's say any other counter, let's say REC, example, Chuma. So now let's go to REC. Now go and check where REC has given a phenomenal 20%, 25% abnormal returns. Let's see, any abnormal. Okay, so now let's take this as a consideration, which is 7th July 2019. So
Okay.
from here, you can also calculate 360 days.
Oh. My goodness. Yes, it's a big one.
Exact bottom, 6% down.
Big one, sir. Big one.
Another method of calculating.
Right.
But for all
Lupin also shows that pattern, sir. It will do nothing for months together, weeks together, and suddenly one spike period will be there where it comes.
it will not only loop in bonds, the entire 3,000 stocks will be doing that.
Maybe I looked at only these few.
You need to have passion and to sit with the market to understand this.
Thanks, boss. Thanks.
Chalo. Take 5 minutes gap, and again we will meet at 1:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
रात को सॉरी ने बुलाया रात को वो लोग उसकी मम्मी निकालती है ना जगन्नाथ पुरी तो प्रसाद अभी आज है ना जगन्नाथ
Okay, shall we? All are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I will add some more numbers. Don't get confused. So what is this called? What is
N square.
N square.
9.
N square of 9.
So what I did this, cross, ordinal cross and cardinal cross, and that is what is nothing but your degree and number. Okay, now I don't want to go very deep into it, otherwise you will get confused with what I was talking earlier. So in this Gantt square of 9, there is certain cross is here. This is again a degree, 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 125 up to 360 is a degree. Okay, so now out of all this, this is predominant cycle. This is a predominant cycle. After number 9, the market will go and touch, the option will go and touch 25. After 25, the option will go and touch 49. After 49, it will go to 81. Then 121, 169, 225, 289, 361. That is where the thing ends. But instead of using these numbers, I converted into dates. So my predominant number system is based on the square and cube numbers, which is already there in this Gantt square of 9. But I use this predominantly for identifying the trend change dates. Again, very simple. What do you need to do? In the center number, you need to mark the highest high or the highest to low, lowest to low. For example, the recent Nifty low was 26/10/2023. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here the rally happened. So now I put the center number is 26/10/2023. Now it is giving me the trend change date, where the trend will be changing. All the cross numbers. You can also use this. This also is a cross. I'm not telling no to it. But predominantly, I will be concentrating only on this cross, 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 only on this cross. You can use this in stock as well as in index. So now, once I put 20/10/2023, when is my next date?
3/11/20.
3rd December 23.
Bottom. Then 19/11. If 19th is holiday, one day before or one day after, again bottom. Again 13/12. Again bottom. Again 14/1. Again top. 23/2. Again top. 14/4. Sorry, 11/4. Again top. 11 is holiday, so we need to take one day before. Whatever. 6/6. Bottom. 9/8, which is going to come. See how beautiful. So, can I take this as a major date and trade this? No. My major date is Astro. My major date is anniversary date. These are supplementary. These are supplementary. So now what I will do? Once I put the low date, then I will be checking all these dates in which cross it worked like mad. It means now I have taken observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of these 7, only one is not given me a result, the Pakka result, which is this one. But out of 7 observations, 6 observation was on the dot. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what I will do, I will take this as my predominant cycle and I will be extending this dates to further. So now how to extend these dates? Very simple. Add the dates, start from here and keep on adding the dates. You will make it. So now it is, the last is 6/4/2025. Up to 2025, it is already there for you. So now you want to add it. So now plus 1. Then again, you can go like this. You will get the dates. You can add +1, +1, +1, +1, +1. You will get the dates and you can extend it for your life. For your life. So this is another way of bringing the trend change rate. So tomorrow there is one trend change rate which is 7. 7 is today, 6 is yesterday, but you are getting one trend change date here, which is 8/7. Yes or no? So tomorrow, trend change date. All these are supplementary. Again, I am telling. This is not the major one, no. The GAN professional, GAN dates, all these are supplementary to your Astro. Supplementary to your anniversary date. You got it or not?
Yes, sir, got it.
This is for your validity, more validity. If you are trading, let's say your stock is, let's say Dixon, which you want to trade for your life, then these are all the supplementary dates which you can match it with what?
Anniversary date.
Astro date.
Anniversary date. So if you are taking Dixon, then put the Dixon, the major high or a major low here, and start finding the loop which cycle it is respected to the core. Then use that cycle for life. Use that cycle for life. Another method of calculating the dates. Okay, right. So now there is one more method of bringing the dynamic level in the market. I have already taught you the purity of breakout for the targets. And you already have the square and cube numbers for the targets. Now I am introducing the square and cube numbers are static number. It is not going to change. Yes or no? It is static. It will not change for life. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
But this is dynamic. What is dynamic? Dynamic is nothing but we are going to take the major high and we are going to take the major low and we are going to derive the number. We are going to derive the number. For example, let's take Nifty. Let's take Nifty. So now just put the number. Let's take okay, let's take this number itself. Okay. So now Nifty, what is the low here?
21,281.
21,281. Yes or no? I put that number. Now I got all the targets. Now I got all the targets. Now what I did? So once I put 21,281, I am taking the square root of A. I am taking the square root of 21,281, which is 140. 140?
6.
146.
I'm adding plus 2 to that 146 square root again. So I got 140.
8.
Then 148. Then A into B. This square root into the square root gave me what?
21869.
21869. Then C minus A. This C minus A.
588.
Okay.
What is the difference?
588.
Divide by 8 cycle, which is called octave. So now once I divide by that, I got 73 is my number. So then what I will do? I will first add this 73 with this prime number, the major number, the major low, which is 21,354. So now above this, it is bullish for this target. That's all. So now let's go and do the same homework. Let's go and do the same homework in let's take Reliance. Let's take Reliance, or let's take Lever. Let's take Lever. Okay, so now this is the major low. What was the low?
2168.
Hey, 2151, man.
2151.
Now, where is the uptrend starts?
2175.
Where is the uptrend ends?
2341.
341.
What is that? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about Dixon. You take anything, no problem. Okay, you take Dixon. So now where is the low? Maybe we can take this as a low, temporary low. 8453. 8453.
Sir, it's 6.
Okay. So now where is the last target?
8825.
8825. Sir, passed out.
The bar itself is done. Okay, chalo, we will take some other counter.
Titan.
Okay, let's take Titan.
Miss.
Let's take Titan. Okay, so now let's talk about from the top. So now what is the top?
3874.
Where is the uptrend starts?
3906.
Whether 306, whether it is done?
No.
No long. First of all, no long. Now where is the short?
3846.
Done.
Now where is the last target?
3629.
Done.
Easily done. 3629.
Done. So now let's take this in the low. What is the low?
3045.
3046.
Now where is the uptrend starts?
307.
3074.
Where is the uptrend ends?
3271.
3271.
That is also done.
Dynamic. But if you ask me whether this dynamic or purity of breakout, I always go with purity of breakout. I always go with purity of breakout. That is more powerful than any of this.
But sir, what we have noticed in all these examples which you have shown, that the number is getting achieved within 2-3 candles itself very quickly.
Yeah, because very small targets, no?
Yeah, targets are also comparatively small, but yes,
Targets are very small, no?
and accordingly stop loss also, no?
Ah,
Accordingly SL also.
yeah, SL also is very small. Even if you go to the period of breakout also, the stop loss is very small. So now let's go to Nifty itself. Let's go to Nifty itself. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. So now what is the I27776? Okay.
176, yes. 2277.
Now where is the uptrend?
22852.
Whether it moved above? No. Okay. So now where is the low? Where to go short?
22701 below that. Two 2701.
Where is the end?
72176.
This cycle is done.
Beautifully done, sir.
That's all. One cycle to another cycle. Cut off. In between, the major number is the 180 degree. These are all degree, 90, 130. This is 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180, 225, 270, 315, 360 is the cycle ends. So now in between, the number is 220, 22476.
180 degree.
You got it? 300 points. You can use this. You can use this for weekly. You can use weekly thing. This week, what will be the range? On the top side or on the bottom side? Cut off. This will be the predominant range. In between 180, will have a major say. Below 180, it will go and try to hit the 360. Weekly range of this week. You can even do this. You can even do this. For example, let's go and talk about weekly. So now this is the low of the week. Yesterday, last week low. What is the low?
23350.
23350. Now where the uptrend starts?
23427.
It started here. Okay. So now where is the last target?
23965.
Deal done. Okay. It went and crossed 24,000. So deal done. So now let's talk about this week. What is the low?
23993.
So where to buy?
Above 24071.
24071.
What is the first target?
24305.
What is the next target?
2445960.
24617. Okay, so now the first target is done, second target is not done. You can play like this weekly. In stocks, it will do wonder. In stocks, it will do wonder. This is dynamic numbers which you can use it for getting the targets. Okay. Maybe planets I will definitely take next time, not now. Okay. Fine. You want any other subject to be added today or enough? Or any doubts you can ask me.
Sir, please repeat this. It's 155, 63, 63.
What is that? What is that?
Sir, 22993. Then the number is 155, 155, 157.
So you want to explain how I get this number?
Yes, sir. Yeah, please, sir.
Very simple, boss. Just put the number first. The highest high or the lowest low. I put the number there.
Okay.
Then I take the square root of this number, which is 146.
Okay.
What is square root of 21,281? It is 146. Then I am adding plus 2 with 146. So which is 148. Yes,
okay.
Sir. That formula is clearly given here, boss, on the top.
So what's the main reason of adding into it? What's the logic behind adding number 2 into this?
In the square number, we need to add 2. So that we will get the octave of 8.
Okay.
And again, on the lower side, minus 2. So once I get that, I am simply A into B. A is number 1, this is the origin, and this is the number 2 addition. So I am taking this to the multiplication, which is 21,869. The multiplication of 146 into 148. Once I get this number, I am taking the subtraction from this number.
C minus M.
The possibility of movement. So now I got this number 21,869 minus this number is 588. In this, I am taking the square root, which is 73. This is my finding. Now I am adding this to this number to get my 8 octave. 45 degree to 360 degree.
Sir, once we enter into this, the downtrend decider level will be our stop loss?
Yes, of course.
Okay, okay. And if we are trailing, then if it reaches 180, then decider level, this thing will be the stop loss. Okay. Okay.
Simply move.
Okay, okay.
Till you get the end. Okay, you can use this in stock, you can use this in index, anything. Okay, right.
Sir, it look one of the best one.
It
looks one of the best one.
It's up to you, boss. Everything is best only for me.
So, sir, here weekly stop loss would be around 300 points, right?
Yeah. It is based on the higher low. If it is a small range, then the range will be small now.
Correct.
Again, when you are doing this, try to play this in a bigger stock. You need volatility.
So can we use it on a previous day high, previous day low?
Very difficult, but you can try also. Now, if you want, we will try. What is there?
So can you check in comments also?
Where?
Comments.
Yeah, we'll do that. No problem. So now what is this yesterday's high, yesterday's low? What is that?
High is 24401.
It is not crossed high, so there is no buy entry. What is the low?
Low is 24281.
Now where the uptrend starts?
24359.
First of all, the low is not broken. 28204. That is the low. Array, what happened? For 23, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so now let's go to 15 minutes. Now a candle close to below.
Yes.
You need to go short only. Okay, now where is the buy activated?
24,359.
What is your stop loss now? Nothing happened yesterday. Based on yesterday, nothing happened. So now we'll go 1 day before. Because I don't use this in daily and all, but still we will try. So now 1 day before. Now what is the high?
24310 309.
Now where is uptrend starts?
2487.
387. 387. No long. Okay, so now where is the short?
24232.
232.
No short also. Daily don't use. Use it in weekly. Use it in weekly or use it in monthly. But predominantly this has to be taken on a major high and a major low.
In daily time frame.
Major swing high and a major swing low. Okay.
Sir, but I checked this earlier. So if we go with the current day open price, it actually hits that 90%, 45 between 45 to 90. I tried this.
You can do that also. I'm not telling no to it. Predominantly, this works on the predominant high and the predominant low.
So now it
Yeah,
will work
got
on
it, sir.
SDFC Bank.
Anything it will work. Anything it will work. Why? HDFC Bank doesn't work. Let's go. So where is the predominant high here? Can we take this as a predominant high? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the high? 1536. Or the weekly closing price. Okay, you can take
Sir,
the
can we take 1648?
why 1648? No, wait. First of all, you go to weekly. Where is the weekly? Let's talk about this. Where is the weekly closing?
1683.
1684, it is 0.80.
1684. I want to go again. Where is the buy initiated?
1704.
1704.
Then where is the last target?
1851.
Not achieved. What is the intermediate target?
1767.
You can play on opening price, or you can play on the weekly closing price, or you can play on the major high or the major low. You can use this Excel sheet in any format you like. But the breakout is always the predominant. So now, even if you take this one, this is the recent high, yes or no?
Yes.
So now, what is the recent high? 1698.
High is 1698, yes.
So now, let's go and do HDFC.
You're right, sir. So I tested this with
169.
that.
Okay, and what is the low? 1345. Now, where to go long? Where to go long?
1781.
178.
God knows that number. See how beautiful it is.
Yes, sir. Breakout will give a very clarity on the like the price even with a small thing.
It will work like mad. Purity of breakout.
Yeah, with
So
this
can we
angle,
take it for
People will be jumping here because of the breakout, yes or no? Yes or no? Technical analysts will be
Of
jumping,
course, sir. Exactly.
but we only know it will not move on.
Even they are saying that if 5 minute or 15-minute closing above, they can go for long.
But this is how purity of breakout is always the phenomenal thing rather than any other thing. Okay,
Sir, can we check it in Bitcoin, sir?
why not?
Cummins also.
Cummings you want, Achal. We'll first
Yeah,
go to and then we'll go to Bitcoin.
it's highly volatile.
Okay.
Problem. So now let's talk about where is the low? Yeah, I am not able to get the. Okay, chalo, we'll take this 8% down. Okay, 1966, 1967. 1967. What is the low? 2044. And 2014. Closed above, gave the entry. 2734.
Easily done.
Again, consolidation at that number. Yeah, Arul. Ah. Hmm. 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 Say now our webinar ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல. I will transfer the money. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. So now any other doubt?
Sir, if a stock consolidates for a month, so in just one, say like 20-30 rupees, just in that. So does it usually mean that the stock is going to go up? Not like that, right?
No, after expansion or contraction, market has to move up, no?
Okay, so that doesn't mean that it can go down also.
It may go down also, no?
Okay, okay. Because I was checking AB Capital from past 1 month, it is just roaming around in one at some 20-30 rupees only, sir.
No, first I will finish the Bitcoin. I will complete.
Thank you.
Okay, now tell me, sir, which one you want me to take? So can I take this I, which is?
Yeah.
69,000, exactly.
Yes, sir.
The low is somewhere here at, hey, this is too much here. No, this is very, very big. You will not get an entry. Now we need to check something else. Let's go to daily.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll take this I, 73,
Yeah, we can.
73,794. And the
Yes,
low,
sir.
and the low is 56,500.
Yeah.
Now the buy is 77,875. 77,875. No entry.
Okay.
Low is 52,419. No entry. 53,795. 53,795. That is the low.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. So the market opens for like 24 into 7 hours. So it's perfectly made the line with the numbers. No one can manipulate it.
Anything and everything, it has to respect the law. That's all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Guruji.
According to this, sir, it is heading towards the further lows, right?
No, till it holds 53,795, there is no problem. Below that, there is a problem. The tap may open up to maybe the first level or the second level.
Sir, it is 53,975, yes.
Yeah, 53,970. Okay, till that time, there is no problem. Below that, it's a problem. Yeah, so
Thank you, sir.
Can we,
Sir, with
can we
respect
see for
to
natural gas and crude oil also?
boss, it works everywhere, boss. Why you are having the doubt?
No doubt. I thought
It will work everywhere. Only when it comes to Forex, you need to put 1 point instead of, because there is decimal. Most of the forex stocks in decimal. You need to use decimal.
Sir, can you show one example, because some of us trade in forex also.
Tell me which one.
Sir, GBP, JPY.
GBP, yeah. What is it?
GBP, Great Britain pound, and JPY, Japanese yen. GBP, B for Bombay and P for Patna. JPY, yeah, below. Honda.
This one?
No, GBP, JPY.
JP.
Japanese yen.
Japanese yen.
This one,
Yes.
Sure, no problem.
JPY, yes.
No problem. So now this is the high.
Yes.
188.6. No, this is very simple. Yeah, I am talking about the forex which is trading at 1.16, 1.68, like that. This is something like our own stock only. No, above 191 it will go and hit 214. Above 191, it will go and hit 214, and that is where it is marching. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the forex which is trading at $1 and something like that.
That is Euro USD, sir.
Whichever you tell me that, that is more effective.
Euro USD, sir. That would be somewhere around 1 rupee only.
Yeah. So you go to Euro USD. Now this is 1 rupee, 1.0838 or whatever nonsense. Okay. So now let's go here. No, this is not done. So now this is also not done. As of now, there is no entry on the top, there is no entry on the bottom. So now let's go and see some other stuff. Okay, now let's take this one. So now 1.010, whatever. 1.109717. 920. One zero 197. 10920. 10920. Now the low is 106352. 10. Six, 3, 5.
Sir, it's actually 1.0635.
It is 1.0635, please.
Lower level, sir. Low, sir.
1.06352. 1.06352.
Sorry, 1 second.
Is omitting the decimal.
1.06352. Yes.
You need to convert this into
Decimal places.
decimal.
Open the decimal, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now it says buy above 0.1119.
5869.
Okay, let's go to that. What is that number?
115869.
119980. 11.
Below that also there is a number, no? First one.
No. Oh, wait. 9980. This is the first breakout. And the second breakout is 115, whatever. One 1.115869.
869.
So it went up, but failed. Your stop loss got hit here. So once the stop loss got hit, you need to exit. Then you need to go short only below 1.056 somewhere here. That also not worked. That also not worked. In this case, it is not worked. But definitely it will work. I don't have a doubt in that. Okay.
Sir, AB Capital.
IAB Capital. Okay, so now let's go to AB Capital.
Consolidating very beautiful.
Too much of consolidation. Okay, no problem.
Right.
Now 244. Yeah. 195. So 256.
Too far away.
Not triggered.
Not triggered.
So now, in this case, so now how to do this? Let's go and do first thing. Yeah, till it holds, there is no problem. Number one, it took the support exactly at the cloud edge. So now let's close this and is where it is rejecting. The exact rejection is happening at the angle only. We'll talk about this in next subject, not now.
That is GAN angle.
Yeah. So now, even if you take this one, difficult. Difficult to move up, but till it holds this green color line, there is no problem. Otherwise, there will be a problem only. So now, even if you take this one here,
H4.
yeah, it is traveling between the resistance and the support level like mad.
Yes, sir. From past 1 month, it's there only.
Right.
The time has to come. So now we need to go and check whether ABFRL is going to come, AB Capital is going to come in the next month radar. If that happens, the stock is going to explode.
Okay. Okay.
Or you can do one thing. So what you can do, go and check. First of all, you go here and no, let's go and check this first. So you can take an entry at 227, stop loss 225, and you go and check ABFRL.
It has started moving.
No, this is tiny. So 10th July.
AB Capital, it was there on 11th, sir.
Now you try on 11th. Okay, so now consolidation is happening, and it says the date is 11th of July. So when the time comes, it may start. If the time comes and if it touches 225, stop loss is 2 rupees. You can take a call, no?
25. Okay.
Combine the time. If there is no movement is happening, then you need to go and find the time.
Okay.
Again, the trend change rule applies. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, Shalom, we'll go and we'll see this on Wednesday. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.